Hey everybody. I just had a thought the other day as I was leaving work and driving home. Um, I watched a video about flat Earth, and somebody was talking about the low sun, how the sun is 30 miles or 70 miles above the Earth, and then not millions of miles as is commonly accepted. It seemed like that would be pretty easily debunkable, even if you believe in flat Earth. At least from the typical flat Earth map. Um, this map is from the space program is a scam. It's not really relevant, but there you go. You can go check out their video there. Um, and on this model, the sun eventually starts going. There we go. Um, Circles the Earth like this, illuminating the moon, and the moon speeds up and whatever catches it, and that's how we get the phases and yada yada yada. But it seems like, besides the obvious problem with this graphic, um, we only have about a quarter of the surface covered, so we get about 6 hours of daylight, I guess. Um, Also, the one, okay, for instance, in the videos that they show, or they're trying to prove a low sun, say they're over here in Perth, um, they'll launch a balloon and they'll see the sun low to the ground. They're not low, but low on the horizon, and be like, hey, look, low Earth, or I mean, it's low sun. That's one balloon. So I had the thought of, why not? Let me advance this a little bit, which I think this is more accurate. They're going to launch a balloon, they see the sun, it's going to be low to the horizon, and then, hey, look, low sun. Meanwhile, if you launch the second balloon simultaneously over here, they're not going to see the same thing going back that way, unless the sun is in fact low. They're going to see the sun directly above them, or high in the sky. So I don't know if anyone's ever done this, with the two balloons, but I mean, you could do it, in multiple different places. I mean, you could, somebody from Chile and somebody from, South Africa could do the same thing. They're, in this instance, they're going to, the South Africans are going to probably see the sun low. Meanwhile, somebody in Chile is going to see it directly overhead, or roughly, straight up. So, I mean, that would basically debunk the low sun theory, or whatever you would call it. Because I mean, if they both see the same thing, then that's a problem. I mean, if somebody's looking at the sun over here and it's low on the horizon, and somebody from Argentina is looking at the sun and it's low on the horizon, you know, that's a problem for the globe. Which, whatever. I'm all for experimentation, but I have a feeling that's not going to be what is seen. And I mean, you could do it in numerous different places. Somebody from Alaska and somebody from Argentina, same thing. But I don't know that it's ever been done. I'd like to see it. I don't have the resources or connections to do such a thing, but I'm sure somebody does, and has the know-how to get it done. But that would be at least one aspect that would be clarified of the cosmos, and you know, I kind of have a feeling I know how it would come out, but who knows? But either way, I still have questions about this map. I'm not completely buying it. Some other questions, how does the sun know to oscillate back and forth, and the moon, how to cause the seasons, and why does the sun, if the sun is low, if it's in the firmament or whatever, why does it still look round to someone from here? And it just, what do you call that, where it flattens out, if it's not a ball, kind of elongates or whatever. But anyway, as far as this subject or the point of this video is, two balloons timed simultaneously to see the sun from two different angles from altitude. That would pretty much debunk all that low sun stuff, or prove it, one or the other. Anyway, if anybody has seen this or if anybody has done it, post a link or info in the comment section. I would love to see it. And let me know what you think. And if I'm completely misthinking this or, pie in the sky with this idea, let me know that too. Anyway, take care.